How to fix payment failed issue on Lyft. In today's quick guide, we are going to show you how to fix the payment failed issue on this app so you can request your ride without any problems. First is make sure your card number, expiration date and CVV are all entered correctly. One small typo can lead to a payment failure. Next is use a supported payment method. Lyft accepts credit, debit, prepaid cards and some digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. If you are using an unsupported card, switch to one that's compatible. Next is remove and re-add the card. Go to the Lyft app and simply open the payment just like this and tap the card and delete it, then re-add the same card or try a new one. This refresh often fixes glitches. Next is update the app. Using an old version of Lyft, that might be the problem. Go to the App Store and type Lyft and search for it. And if there is the update version, simply update it. And that's it. This is how you can fix the payment failed issue on Lyft. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.